guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day and welcome to Asianadian. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite authentic Filipino dessert and snack. This is what we call the Palitaw. This snack consists of very few ingredients, so stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Learn this.
Here's the ingredients: glutinous rice, banana leaves, sesame seeds, cane sugar, coconut. We're gonna grate that later on. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna do it in traditional way. This is the coconut grater. I got this from the Philippines when I was there in 2017, and look at that. This is sharp. Lots of teeth. See, all around it. And this is so sharp. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to use this with the coconut. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. There you go. Now it's done. That's how you break the coconut shell. But be careful. You have to know what you are doing before you handle this cleaver and before you break the coconut shell, okay? It's not a joke. You have to know what you're doing before you do what I did. Now, let's do this. Yeah, look at that. That's so good. Yeah. Now that is a fresh grated coconut. So stop buying dried grated coconut. You can do this. So from now on, you gotta do this. There you go. It's done. Look at this. This is the freshly grated coconut. Look at that. So fresh and juicy. Now guys, this is where you get the coconut milk. Okay? When I squish this, That's where the coconut milk will come from. But I don't want to squish it because we need the freshly grated coconut. We don't need to squish it, or else it's gonna be so blunt and there's no creamy taste to it. This is what we're gonna put on our palitaw. Now we're going to roast our sesame seed in this pan. Don't put oil, you just need to roast it just like that. This is gonna be our toppings and underlay, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. The banana leaves have a white film on them. The heat will burn off the white film and make the leaves shinier, stronger, and more flexible for folding and wrapping. It also gives a wonderful aroma to the dish. We are going to lay it like that. That's awesome. Now let's make the dough and patties. Make sure you don't put a lot of water in it. That is 5 cups of water, and we'll bring this to a boil, and then we'll put our glutinous rice in it. So you will know when they are cooked because it will float on the top of the water. So look at this one here. It's kind of floating a little bit. That will be cooked soon. See, they are kind of coming up to the top. That is gonna be done very soon. Oh yeah. Oh, do you like what I'm doing, guys? Woo! It's looking good. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. Very appetizing. Looks so yummy. It's so mouth-watering. Oh yeah. Look at the patties. It's glistening. That's a good snack. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's try this out. Look at that. Whoa. That looks so chewy too. Oh guys, this is so good. It's chewy. It's fresh coconut. It's fresh sesame seed. This is all-in-one dessert and snack. With your glutinous rice, there's enough calories in it, so that will fill you up. But this is a really good one. Let me add more sesame seeds. Oh yes. Oh yeah. What I'm gonna do? Keep it there. More sesame seeds. And then a little bit of coconut on top. Wow, that's gonna be double yummy. That is so good. It's not too sweet because I don't want it too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's perfectly sweetened with the cane sugar. I think I can finish this all. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment below, hit the thumbs up button, and please remember to hit subscribe and I will see you on my next video. I made a mess. I spilled the coconut water. Look at that. Look down. What? Guys, I was watching my closing video and look what I saw. That's a piece of coconut shell right there. You see that? That's a piece of coconut shell.